Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on inverting the colors on a PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Inverting the colors on your PS4 is easy. From the main dashboard, move up to the top to get to the control menu. Move all the way to the right and open Settings. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility options, the option to invert colors is the second one down. Enable inverted mode by pressing X on it to enable the checkbox. Inverted mode is now switched on. You can come back here to accessibility options to turn it off at any point. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.